Hey you guys, it's Egee, and in this video I want to show you the very first thing that you ought to do after installing Debian testing, which is adding your user to the sudoers group. It's really easy, just open a terminal, su to root, and then do sudo usermod -ag sudo and then your username. Even though we're the root user, you still have to use sudo usermod to access usermod because of how the path is set up. You can also add your user to the sudoers file, despite there being a message on the bottom saying that it's read-only. If you want passwordless sudo, you have to add your user here anyway. I like to just add my user to the sudo group, but you could use the sudoers file too. But after you've made your user sudo, you can either log out completely and log back in, or just reload your terminal session using su, which is weird, but it works in a pinch. And by the way, if you've ever installed software that uses groups for permissions like Docker or LXD, you can add your user to those groups in the exact same way. Now, to be totally fair, you don't absolutely have to do this, but it does make using your system a heck of a lot easier, especially if you use the terminal a lot. Most other distros nowadays add the user to the sudo or wheel group during the install, or they let you pick whether you want your user to be admin. Debian does not do that, so this is just something that you have to do for every Debian install. But yeah, once your user is sudo, you can resume what other Debian post-install steps you have, like updating the mirrors and adding contrib and non-free to your sources if proprietary software is your thing. If you or someone you know wants to try out Debian, be sure to let them know about this obscure sudo thing because it trips up practically every new user to Debian, including me. I appreciate all your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.